Today we're going to talk all about my favorite body wash, and I'm going to tell you why it's my favorite, what I think it does well, and what I think it doesn't. Now, if you've watched my channel for even a short amount of time, you will have already heard of this brand, 1821 Man-Made, and their Man-Made wash. I've been using this stuff for at least 7 years now, so I've been using it forever, and of course, I've tried tons of body washes, and I do like others, but out of all of them, this is the one that I've returned to time and time again, and this is why. These guys have some of the best fragrances out there, which I know is subjective, so I'm not going to put my entire argument into this point. I just want to mention that I love their scents, and that really contributes to my desire to continue to use them. For the Man-Made wash, currently they offer 4 different scents: sweet tobacco, spice vanilla, noble oud, and absolute mahogany. I'm going to tell you honestly that in my opinion, the 2 best scents that they offer are the sweet tobacco and the noble oud. I don't personally care much for the others. That's not to say you might not, but I have yet to find anyone who doesn't think the noble oud and sweet tobacco smell absolutely incredible. And between the 2, I have actually been devoting more time to the noble oud. I've got it in the body wash, the body spray, and the new cologne. I absolutely love it. Moving past that though, the next thing I love about this is the way it performs as a body wash. And mainly that revolves around the fact that it cleans well. It cleans really well without being too harsh. You see, I've used some soaps on my arms and chest in the past that for some reason react to my skin really harshly. I mean, it causes a lot of redness and irritation. I actually get none of that with this wash. It just cleans and it leaves my skin feeling soft, feeling nice, not much extra crap that I don't want to deal with. I don't want a lot of hassle from my soap. I want to hop in the shower, get clean, get out. And that's what this does for me, with the added benefit of smelling amazing. Before I move on to the stuff I don't use it for, I want to take a quick second and mention the look of the bottle, because while it's not the most important thing, it's still part of the whole thing. I mean, whether we want to admit it or not, looks on a product or branding matters. It just does. And what I love about this brand is their Prohibition liquor style branding. They got their little one here. This is awesome for travel or just trying things out, honestly. They got the standard size. These are 18 ounces, and really they last me a good long time, 2 to 3 months, I'd estimate. But then you got these guys, the 32 ounce ones. I have made these last at least 6 to 8 months. I mean, they last forever. But now though, let's talk about the other stuff, what I don't prefer this for. And mainly that has to do with the cleansing of the hair. You see, this wash is designed to be an all-in-one, meaning body wash, face wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And I think it works great for all of the above except conditioning. When used as a shampoo, it does clean the hair well, no complaints there. But it really doesn't condition it as much as a conditioner that is a dedicated conditioner would condition. It also just doesn't make the hair feel as good as dedicated shampoos can when a good one is used on your hair. I think in the end, because of that, I've just stuck to using this as a body wash, and I've stuck to using a shampoo and conditioner separately, and that seems to work really well for me. Again, I've been doing this for literally years now. I think it's pretty safe to say that I highly recommend the Man-Made wash. I don't need to keep saying it over and over. I love this stuff. I think you should absolutely try it, and if you would like to, I actually have a coupon code that was given to me by the brand to offer to you guys so you can get a nice discount and try it out if you're interested, and all of that info is in the description right now. That though is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you do the big 3 for me: like, comment, and subscribe. And I very much appreciate that, and you watching this video and listen to me talk about my favorite body wash for the past few minutes. I will, of course, be back with another video very soon, and until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.